And please, let us not allow this passion to address corruption short-lived. It should be a long-term engagement. Huwag po natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataan. Huwag natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan. And sometimes in my private moments, I weep because I've never seen this kind of corruption. Nakita ko yung mga extortion, mga pangikikil. Pero believe me, this is something very, very different. I can only bow my head and express my frustration. It's a sacrifice. Sometimes I think the safety of my family. Napakahirap labanan ang korupsyon. Dahil lagi na lang may mga taong wala nang ginawa kundi mamulitika at sirain pa yung ating reputasyon. Ganyan na, kagago ang sistema natin dito. Nakikipaglaban na tayo araw-araw, sacrificing our safety, sacrificing our life. Pero may mga tao pa dyan na walang konsensya, na walang ginawa, kundi puro na lang politiko ang pag-iisip. Kasing dumi ng kanilang mga konsensya. They're no different from these very powerful people who continue to destroy our nation.